Welcome to our tutorial on EXSR in IBM ErrCheck. Today, we'll explore how to effectively use EXSR to call and process subroutines. Let's dive right into an example. Here, we have a simple RPGLE code snippet. In this code, EXSR stands for Execute Subroutine. It's used to call a subroutine named ErrCheck after performing the test operation on the chardate variable. Now, let's look at the subroutine ErrCheck. When we run this code with the date 031286, the output will be DSPLY valid date, and that's how EXSR helps in modularizing RPGLE code by allowing us to encapsulate logic into reusable subroutines. Thank you for watching our video tutorial on the EXSR Opcode in IBM ErrCheck by programmers.io. We hope you found it informative and useful for your programming tasks. If you have any questions or would like to explore more RPGLE topics, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more RPGLE programming insight. Happy coding!